My name is Melissa Tafila, and I'm the Managing Director of Connexus. Connexus is an information technology company, and we offer digital solutions for businesses. And as much as we are an information technology company, we are very passionate about education, and all our products and services have been truly about making them student-centric to help each student succeed. In 2016, when we received the Orange Social Venture Prize, it came in at the right time because that is the point where we were in need of funds to actually continue with the distribution, manufacturing, and packaging of a software product that we were working on by then. So when we received the funds, we were then able to invest back into the company to continue with those processes. So in 2019, we partnered with Orange Botswana to develop the Atlega Mobile education service, which has now been operating for 3 years now. And basically, we've received so much support from Orange Botswana in terms of technical support. They assisted with the testing of the product. So they also offered financial support for the marketing activities that are in relation to the Atlega Mobile learning service. So there's so much that we also learned from them, because given the fact that we are a company with a technical background, there were certain things, especially when it comes to marketing, that we knew on the surface, but then engaging and collaborating with Orange Botswana, we are now able to see that, the marketing really goes levels deeper. So there's so much that we learned from them, and the growth that we've had from there as a company, it's really been great. And especially in terms of our user base, we're now able to reach more users, as in comparison with the standalone software product that we have, we were limited. But then in partnering with Orange Botswana, we are now able to reach more students. As Connexus, digital inclusion is all about ensuring that what the products and services that you offer to the people, to ensure that every single person, including the disadvantaged, have access and are able to enjoy your service offerings. And that is why, as Connexus, we have services like Atlega Mobile Education, where now students are able to access. There are no barriers when it comes to access. There are no barriers when it comes to affordability to the service. And also when it comes to barriers concerning devices, these have been overcome. So we're really glad in the fact that we've been able to partner with Orange Botswana and being able to come up with these strategies so that we ensure that the service is affordable and inclusive. So for our future plans, we are looking forward to have Atlega operating in 1 or 2 African countries. And we're also interested in now delving into the corporate sphere in terms of training and as far as education technology is concerned.